I have brought a different model. So full human. No, things was about to fall down. So as we all know, we learned the head and the hands. Not to mention, there's one important part over here. You see this neck part?
Yeah.
Right around here. It's gonna be called place de platysma. How we can identify it is when usual times when we have stress, the main pain focuses on the platysma. And now if I move back, right over here, this is going to be called the trapezius. You see it?
Yeah. I actually took it apart.
And now I'm going to make it a little bit more interesting. We are going to talk about the thoracic part.
So many pieces of shenanigans. I was like,
So over here we can see there's a torso.
okay. So
Now many will confuse themselves with the
and we have
shape and the model
13, which
this
is
abdomen,
frontal belly,
and I will sort it out.
epicranius, which is I know
You see the part where it's the mammary on number 54. It is the serratus anterior.
And from there we're gonna go.
It's right over here, this one. Let me point it out. It is this one, serratus anterior.
And then
This right here, the whole chest, the thoracic part, is going to be known as the
let's go here.
pectoralis
We have the
major.
zygomatic muscles, which is smile muscles.
And over here we have
This is the levator.
the external oblique, since it's going this way.
That makes the lip go.
And we have the rectus
then
abdominis,
deeper
which
to
is the
zygomatic.
six-pack,
We have
right
the
over here.
buccinator, which is here.
And now this
If we
may
go
be
to
confusing
the
on the
lateral
textbook,
part,
but
here we
this
have the
is the internal
temporalis.
intercostal,
And then we have the
and this
the
is
masseter.
external intercostal, right over here.
It's
going this way.
Down. This is the mentalis.
And now this is going to be the internal oblique. How? Because it's moving that way, the opposite direction of the external oblique. And now over here, since it's going like in a straight wave, this is called the, guess, this is called the abdominis transverse. It's going this way. It's going to be really deep. Okay, now I have moved behind this figure. You can see right here.
You're doing pretty good. That's through most of them.
As we talked about, this over here, you can see, it's called the latissimus dorsi.
It's like the whole thing.
And this whole thing, this whole muscle, as we talked about, is going to be the supraspinatus. My bad. It's going to be subscapular. This whole thing, not right over here, deeper, as I showed you in the arm muscle.
These are zygomatic.
Now, guess what is this one?
It's a levator.
Yeah.
Take your time.
Levator.
Labii superioris.
Labii.
This is going to be teres major, right over here.
Elevates lip, like lifts the lip.
Yeah.
Compresses.
And above it, this small thing coming, this is going to be the teres minor.
It makes like the wrinkles in the chin, like.
Oh, okay.
And this thing over here is called the whole thing infraspinatus.
Well, it's
Is that the different angle of it?
This
Okay.
is this
Inspiration.
yeah, and then
The internal to the respiration.
expiration.
And last but not least, these are the rhomboids.
And then the other one.
This one and over here. This is going to be gluteal maximus. This one is going to be medius. I'll also show you a minimus, but that one is going to be on a different model. Okay, as I told you, this is going to be the maximus. This is going to be the medius. Now the minimus, this part is of course cut. So the minimus is going to be this area. It's going to be deep. It's going to be over here. It's going to be the minimus.